Hello, and welcome back. In our last video, we touched upon the foundations of the digital world. Today, we're tackling a big topic that you've probably heard a lot about: blockchain. It might sound complex, but the idea behind it is surprisingly simple. We're going to demystify it together, using examples from everyday life. No jargon, no hype, just a clear explanation.
Imagine a shared digital notebook that a group of friends uses. Let's say you, Alex, and Sarah want to keep track of money you lend each other. Every time someone lends money, they write it down in the notebook. Alex paid Sarah $10. Now, here's the magic. Instead of one person holding the notebook, everyone in the group gets an identical, synchronized copy. When a new entry is made, it's broadcast to everyone. Before it can be added, the majority of the group has to check their copy and agree that the entry is valid. Once it's added, it's linked to the previous entry, creating a chain of transactions. This chain is permanent. You can't secretly go back and erase an entry, because everyone else's notebook would show the original record. To change a past entry, you'd have to convince the majority of the group to alter their notebooks all at the same time, which is nearly impossible. This is the core idea of blockchain, a shared, secure, and synchronized record of information.
See? It's like a superpowered notebook that everyone trusts because it's transparent and collectively maintained. This brings us to our next real-world comparison: public records.
Think about how property ownership is recorded. When someone buys a house, the deed is registered in a public ledger, often at a government office. This creates an official, verifiable record that anyone can check to see who owns the property. A blockchain works in a similar way, but digitally and for many different kinds of information. It's a public record book that isn't stored in one single place. Instead, copies are spread across a vast network of computers. Every transaction, or block, is added to the chain, creating a permanent and transparent history that anyone on the network can see. This transparency builds trust because there are no hidden changes or secret deals. Everything is out in the open for verification.
By the way, as we go through this, you'll hear some ideas repeated. Repetition is intentional in Web3, so it really sinks in. The concepts of a shared ledger and transparency are key, and we'll see them again. So, we have a shared, transparent system. What does that enable? It allows us to build trust without needing a middleman. Let's explore what that means.
Right now, we rely on middlemen for almost all of our digital transactions. When you send money to a friend online, you use a bank or a payment app. They act as a trusted third party, verifying that you have the funds and ensuring the money gets to the right person. They maintain the ledger for us. Blockchain offers a different way. Because the digital notebook is shared and secured by the network itself, we don't need a central authority to verify things for us. The trust is built directly into the system's design. The network participants all work together to validate transactions. This decentralized approach can make transactions more direct and often faster by removing that extra step. It's a system where trust is established through collaboration and transparency, not by relying on a single institution.
So, let's quickly recap. We've talked about a shared notebook that can't be secretly changed, a public record book that everyone can see and verify, and a way to trust each other directly without a middleman. When you put all those pieces together, you get blockchain. And here's the secret: the one thing to remember if you forget everything else. Blockchain is a technology for creating trust and transparency in a digital world. It's a new way of recording and verifying information securely. I hope that clears things up. The concept of trust is fundamental, and it's the launching point for our next topic. In our next video, we'll explore the most famous use of blockchain: cryptocurrency, explained simply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.